Hey guys, what's going on? Mason again. Today I figured I'd just do a quick little review of the Harbor Freight 100-pound capacity MIG welder cart. So this morning I went and visited the Bargain Gods at Harbor Freight and bought the welding cart. More or less just got sick of dragging that heavy transformer based Miller 211 around. Even with the small bottle, it still started to suck a little bit. So for $40 I figured it was worth the deal. There it is, item 69340. Box actually wasn't that beat up, which is a surprise from our Harbor Freight. But no, I just wanted to do a quick little review of it. I got it assembled in 5 minutes with an impact and a 10mm wrench. Everything is 10mm hardware on it. I actually installed everything kind of backward from how it normally would be. The threads are facing outward, but I was concerned that the plate at the top here was going to be too small for the 211, and it just barely fits. Just in case you are looking at this for your machine, that top plate is about 10 3/4 inches on the inside, and realistically I guess it's infinitely long, but it's about 17.5 inches long. So, depending on what you have for a machine, it may or may not fit. But so far, it seems like a decent little cart. I mean, you definitely get what you pay for with it. It is a little on the flimsy side, but I think for $40, including a tax and the 20% coupon, I think it's going to work just fine for any sort of small machine such as this one, or a small TIG, or whatever kind of machine you've got. Obviously we're still using the small bottle here. The 2 chains is kind of helpful, especially with this, because I wrapped it tight around here since I couldn't get it any tighter than this on the bottom. So that's it. That's the end of my short 2-minute review of the Harbor Freight 100-pound capacity welding cart. It's been pretty handy so far today, working on the quarter panel here for the dart. And make sure to like and subscribe, and keep producing some more of these videos. Thanks guys, appreciate it.